Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am gonna jump right in. I'm not gonna stay here too long talking. I'm just gonna jump right in. We're gonna do a super quick makeup look with a bold look. And if you're excited for this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, first we're gonna go in with primer. I have the Found 24 karat primer. Morning meeting starts in 2 minutes. We're doing remote learning here at my elementary school that I both work at and am a parent of children who go to the elementary school down the street, and we're starting remote learning. So at 8 o'clock my class, like the one that I teach, or co-teach I should say, help teach, is doing a live morning meeting on Google Meets, and so this is super exciting. It starts in about 2 minutes. I clearly won't have my makeup done by then, but hopefully I'll have some of it done at least. Okay. Concealer. Can you hear the birds outside? They're like going crazy. This is just my Revlon Candid Holy Grail. This has officially become like my Holy Grail foundation. Love it. It's so good. So how do we like this filming over here, like in front of my bureau? I'm on the floor, but it's a little bit easier to set up the lighting and work, because like work as in like put on my makeup, just because like I have something to use, because now I can use my floor. All right, so I'm going to go do morning meeting and I will be right back. Okay, I am back. And I'm going to put on my Ciate London Coconut Setting Powder. And I'm just going to focus this mainly under the eyes. And down the T-zone. CoverFx Silhouette Bronzing Contour Powder. I think it's technically a contour. That. I'm gonna go into my aLamar Cosmetics pink blush right there in the middle. I can't believe I've hit pan on this. It's so good, that's why. Okay. I like it. So before I go in with my highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Nightingale Pretty Vulgar palette. I am going to take a super big blending brush. It's like super puffy. And I'm gonna go into the shade here, Hide and Seek. And it just adds enough definition to the eyelids that it, like, you're not wearing nothing, you know? I wanted this to be a super fast look, so I got a lot to do today. See how I do. Okay, I like that. I'm gonna go into just a tad more to deepen it. Okay, and now I'm going to go into the shade Breaking Free right there in the corner. It's like the white sparkle glitter. And I'm just going to tap that towards the inner corner on the lid. And it really just adds just like a hint of a, does she have eyeshadow on? Does she not have eyeshadow on? Just gives a little bit of a glimmer to go in with my Stay Perfect Amazing Eyeliner Pencil. I'm gonna go on the waterline. Now, I'm going to go into my highlight, Milani in Pearl. It's the Rose Gold 03 palette. You can get it at Walmart, I believe, still. I think they still carry this. My ring light battery died. Interesting. Okay. I'm gonna go do my brows, and I will be. Okay, my brows are done, and I used the Signature Brow from KDV Beauty, if anybody was wondering. Last but not least is the lips and the eyelashes. Okay. For the eyelashes, I have the, why am I speaking like this? For mascara, I have the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Can we talk about the difference between that one eye and no mascara, right? One coat versus no mascara. Okay. So that was that. Going to now do my lips, and I'm going to scooch you in here, and I'm going to take a sip of coffee. Good morning, pumpkin. Okay. Dry my lips off. You can't tell me anybody else doesn't do that. Oh, this is the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner, True Instant Color in the shade 12 Bordeaux. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's a French name. Okay. And then I just kind of use my finger and pull that down and like inward. Then I'm going to go in with this has fastly become my favorite bullet lipstick formula of like all time. That sounded bad. It is the Smashbox Always On Matte Cream to Matte Lipstick in Bawse. B-A-W-S-E, Bawse. It's like the true Drew Barrymore red, guys. Yeah, I know. The only thing I don't like about it is when you mess up, it's hard to fix. See, that's gonna bug me. I'm gonna show you a makeup trick. Makeup hack for when you mess up. Take your concealer and you dot it. And take your pinky and you can blend that in. And don't rub because you have powder on top, remember. You just want to pat. You don't want to disturb the makeup underneath. You just want to cover the mistake. Ta-da. Can't even tell. And there is my bold lip. So there's the completed look. Alright guys, so that's all for this quick I can talk. That's all for this quick get ready with me, guys. I'm going to go do some remote teaching and remote learning, and if you liked this one, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps me. And subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to ring that bell so that you are notified when I am posting and upload. Yeah. I'm trying to post a couple a week, especially where we're all home right now, and I know that some people just need a good distraction from reality, and I love to be that outlet for you. So yeah, if I'm gonna stop talking. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Enjoy your day. Love you.